In this problem, when we rationalize the denominator, we have to, well, first you want to notice there are two terms in the denominator separated by a minus sign. That means we'll have to multiply top and bottom by two terms as well. The two terms that you want to use are what we call the conjugate of the bottom. So that simply means use the same numbers but do the opposite operation between them. So the minus here will show up as a plus in the conjugate. So we're going to multiply top and bottom of the original fraction by the same thing. In the numerator, we simply distribute the 4 across both terms. So we get 4 on the outside, square root 2 for the first term, plus 4 times 5 is 20 on the outside, square root 3 for the second term. Underneath, we have to quote-unquote FOIL it out. So we have to distribute everything to everything. Square root 2 times square root 2 is square root 4, which will just clean up to a regular old 2 again. When you multiply a square root with itself, the square root goes away. You just get the number inside. The next two terms are going to be opposites. That's why we use the conjugate. Notice this loop will be a positive 5 square root of 6, and this loop will be a negative 5 square root of 6. Those two will cancel out. And then your remaining term is the last term here times the last term here. It will be a minus because the signs are opposites. 5 on the outside times 5 on the outside gives you 25. And then square root 3 times square root 3 equals plain old 3. So this isn't finished. We've got some more simplifying to do. The numerator is as simplified as you can really make it. You can't simplify square root 2 or square root 3. Underneath we get 2 minus, this is 75, 25 times 3. So 2 minus 75 is negative 73. And there's no way to simplify the 4 with the 73, so there's no way to really simplify anything else in this problem. That would be your final messy answer.